Hi, I'm Francisco Guerra, President of Global Special Effects. I wanted to take some time and tell you about my favorite two machines, the #1 selling snow machine in the world. This machine is seen on every set in the world, the movie industry, special effects, theme parks. I'll tell you a little bit about this machine. It's a T1500 Max and the T1500 Mini. The only difference between these two machines is the output of the fan speed control. In other words, one generates almost 4,000 CFM versus the other one only generates about 3,000 CFM. Both of them come in either 110 or 220 configurations. Can be used obviously in Europe, Asia, and the United States. What's nice about these machines is you can tell these are set up right now for hanging on a truss. These same legs can be spun around and put to a base on the ground, used as a ground base unit. The film industry is notorious for using them on ground base, versus a theatrical application would use them hanging. What makes this machine very unique is that we're able to place the machine and hang this in any direction, as you can tell by the swivel on the machine. The legs spin around and can be dropped with just removing one screw. It'll do it automatically. This machine is made up of several components. The most important component will be the electronics. Electronics, it is a DMX 5-pin on board with a lot of neat features. One, it has a standby mode. It'll run on its own. It'll also run a 5-minute and a 15-minute clock. It cycles within that period. Also, it does have a hardwire remote that you can be used. It is an accessory. And the neatest thing about the machine is it's meant to run for hours and hours and hours, as long as it has fluid in it. This you'll hear us refer to as the sock. This part is very important, very critical to the machine. This is where the flakes are generated from. This whole contraption right here is called the flake generator. The process of making the snow look real and feel real is what we do the best all over the world. The fan adds a propulsion to basically break up the snow so the snow looks like a natural snowfall and doesn't come down clumpy or looking like foam. That's what's amazing about our technology of evaporative snow, that it truly does evaporate and can be used over and over again for long periods of time without saturating the ground or saturating the actors or in a play or making the stage slippery. Some of the things I'd like to show you is the controls on the machine. You can see on board we do have DMX in and out 5-pin. This is a thumb dial control. This will give you your control, which it's able to become a 5-minute clock, a 15-minute clock, standalone mode, or hardwire remote. It does have standard 512 DMX built-in 4-channel system, so that gives you the control of flake size, duration, and cycle, on and off, all by DMX. Our on and off switch, we also have a resettable fuse that's built into the machine in case there's a circuit issue. On the back of the T1500 Max and Mini, you'll see there's a thumb dial control. The thumb dial control is non-DMX control, but is a manual control. You're able to turn the fan off or on and control the variable speed of the fan. It's very easy to use. With one click is off, to the right of that click is on, and you have the ability to slow the fan down or speed the fan up. It is used on a lot of movie sets as a wind generator because it does move about 4,000 CFM. If you haven't ever used a T1500 Max or a T1500 Mini, I guarantee you'll be surprised at the amount of snow you can generate and the look of a natural snowfall. Thanks for considering or playing with our technology.